Hello friends, greetings of the day. Today I, as an academic coordinator of Bala Vikas English Medium High School Rentachintala, would like to give an introductory video to the YouTube channel. Kindly, all those who are watching it, watch and subscribe this. The goal, the aim and objective of this uploading is mainly to acknowledge ourselves, especially as we are working in the rural background of this area, how we are introducing the teaching system in a new method. Lot of innovations are brought in and lot of dialogues are being conducted in the classroom teaching. So, dear viewers, I wish you all hereafter to subscribe this video and also to support us by giving a like bell icon. The aim of this video is how our children are brought up in a new method, way of teaching, especially with their communication skills, intrapersonal development activities, leadership qualities are highlighted, and the children are becoming smarter and smarter day by day. This is the purpose and the reason we would like to upload and also want to change a lot of innovations in our teaching. Thank you all the viewers. Kindly subscribe this video hereafter.